Hello everyone, it's Jeff Gutenberger. March 20th, 2019. We're in Cocoa, Florida at the Cocoa Village Marina. We've been here for 6 days, and for the entire time the wind has just been howling, and it's been rainy and kind of lousy, but we're holed up in a really neat place because Cocoa is a great little town, lots of great little shops and restaurants, but at night it's hard to sleep because all the boats in the marina are moving up and down. Here's our boat. I don't know if this does any justice to how much the boat is moving, but it's moving quite a bit. All the boats here in the marina are rocking and a-rolling, and you can kind of see that our boat is no different, bouncing up and down. You can see the flags waving over here, and these trees are just really bent over. So it's supposed to be good weather tomorrow, and so we're going to head on down to Titusville and continue our journey.